How to fix if your Instagram video selfie verification is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble, here are some of the fixes you can try. First of all, make sure you have updated the Instagram application. In order to do so, open your Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone users. Then after, tap on the search icon and type in Instagram. If an update button pops up, make sure to tap on it. Next, you have to clear the app cache. In order to do so, just long press the app icon and go to app info. Tap on storage and cache and then on clear cache. Go to the previous page again and tap on permissions. Make sure you have given the necessary permissions of camera, location, photos and videos, and phone. Once this is done, you can now relaunch the application. But before that, make sure to clear all of the current application running in background and open it again. However, if it still does not work, you might have to reinstall the app. For this, long press it and tap on uninstall app and go to App Store or Play Store to download it again. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.